Hey everyone, just popping in here really quick. I just received the 49 and Market Toddler Time Collection bundle. Now, I have never ordered the collection bundle before. ScrapbookCom just sent this to me. You know, it's the love of 49 and Market, right? So if I can get this open, I wanted to go through this for several reasons. I have had my eye on this ever since it came out. And yes, there's some in my cart because that's what I do. And I will be ordering more. There's some really interesting aspects to this. First and foremost, I love the idea of a very vintagey kind of old school throwback, just quaint kind of a collection. My youngest grandson, my only grandson, just recently turned a year, and I like to make a whole entire book for them when their year has come to fruition, and it's awesome time to look back like that. So this for sure is going to be utilized in that. So I just thought, well, let's go and see what the bundle is. This could maybe be a really fun idea for somebody. Maybe you're not familiar with 49 Market. Maybe you're like, I don't know about it. And these collection bundles like this might be a great jumping off place because they're fairly all inclusive. I mean, I bet we could do a lot of fun, creative damage with just what's in this collection. So this is the epoxy coated wishing bubbles and baubles. These are, like I just said, they're epoxy. There's about 103 of them. There are icons plus circles with words. There's these really cute hearts, loving the hearts, and then these dots, which can just be really fun and add texture to a page. And then, you know, my favorite rub-ons. So this is Toddler Time Essentials. So let's pull this out of here. There's a lot of icons in this as well with the kids. There's some great banner sentiments though in here. Together Forever, Right Away With Me, Play All Day Long, It's a Play Date, Oh Happy Day. A lot of these too aren't going to be exclusive just for a kid theme project, right? We can get different mileage out of that, especially those sentiments for sure. This could just be fun for even any grandkid, any of your kids who read and doing a story about them reading. So then we have some colored prompts. We have some colored icons in here, and then just these great words and what I call blendables with the text and like that watercolor vibe. Really, really beautiful. The colors are great. I love the colors with the navies and the teals, this peach. Yellow is always a good color, and like a really kind of classic green here. Look at those puppies. Oh my goodness. Okay, what else do we have here? The laser cut elements. Love the laser cuts. These are die cuts. They do not have a white border around them. So they're really clean, and they come typically on these sheets. Also included in these are very often plenty of word sentiments, phrases, first moment. You amaze me. That'd be a great card sentiment. Little steps, cuddle time. You can do it. Another good card sentiment. So you get the idea. There's some, even on just on looking on this, there's some fun things that could be used for card makers or for other kind of scrapbook idea besides children. I'm always looking for that in supplies. It's like, yeah, this is, you know, for example, this is a heart to die. Yes, but how else can we use it? We're not going to use it just for Valentine's Day, right? We're going to use it for many other things. And then we have frames and doilies and rocking chairs and clips and hearts and frames and stamps. I know I keep mentioning the frames. I did that on purpose. Okay, and two, let's not forget the back of the packaging. Look at that envelope. And look at those words. Super fun. Super fun. All right, now in all honesty, these washi tape sheets, I have not picked these up before. I lie. There are actually, I still have some much older 49 and Market collections that had washi sheets to them. So now this washi sheet though, it's all one piece. You can cut, you can die cut, you can paper punch, you could use the whole thing. So that's really cool. That is really cool. And it's beautiful, beautiful artwork. And then this is washi, so it's got that real ethereal kind of look to it. So this could be really fun, even like on vellum pages. And then this has not only great words and phrases, titles, if you will, on the main page, but then there is the bottom third is just all words and sentiments. So I love that. And plus you've got a great piece here in the packaging to be used as well. Okay, let's get down to the paper. So it looks like inside the bundle is the collection pack. And the collection pack is the double-sided pattern paper. This one has 10 double-sided sheets, plus the back of the packaging is also a pattern to be used. I mean, this just couldn't be more charming in terms of artwork, in terms of how things blend, in terms of the vintage element that's happening here. And then you have a great print like this plaid. Beautiful. This one here is called In the Cards. Super fun and sweet. Look at that ticket there. That ticket there. And then the other side, great polka dot. Sometimes I say that I'm a B girl because I'm such a fan of the B sides of papers. And so far, huge fan of this B side. This could be used in so many places. There's a gorgeous wreath here. This is the beanstalk. Oh, isn't that great? But it's beautiful. And see the butterfly? It's gorgeous. And lovely, lovely green print pattern. That's fantastic. We have an orange here that's called Playtime with the motif up here at the right and this motif at the bottom. And then a repeat pattern, but it's distressed and faded in places. That's pretty cool. That's really fun with the stars. Whoops, can you see that? There you go. Then this teal comes into play. And like that classic with the leaves and everything and the text. This is so great. My granddaughter loves planes. And it's these kids looking up at the planes. Oh, I'm just so charmed by this collection. So this is not too dissimilar from the blue. Only it has kind of like these fadeaway parts with some text in it. Beautiful color. And here's a repeat pattern of the pet hen, the pet cat, the pet dog, or the dog, the red airplane, a bluebird, and a grate. This to me feels like scorched timber. A repeat dog pattern. So this is great for animal lovers. And here's just a really classic 12 by 12. It's got this plaid that comes in here and this leaves. And of course the script. Oh my goodness. I might need to order more of just this paper here. That's really cool. You got this newspaper print. It's like makes you think of those. I try to explain to my kids the Sears catalogs. I know I just severely dated myself right there, and just how joyed we'd be to get the Sears catalog and we'd sit down and just go through it. Now this doesn't look like the Sears catalog, but it totally reminds me of it. So yeah, I digress. Oh, look at this really pretty pattern here. That's sweet. These tags. Oh, I love this. When I tell you I love you, you can believe that's true. I mean, you're using that for any reason, right? Dream how wonderful your life will be. Super, super sweet. This is great. This is a great pattern too. And then you have this as well. The distress, the kind of the hand scribbles, marks, the mark making, watercolor, and doily words. And then here's another, I call this a cutaway page. I don't know if that's the official name, but I like to call it like that. To me, it's like journal. It's great for 3x4 scrapbooking if you are doing 3x4, like Project Life. These are great for insiders because these two are the 4x6. Then you have 3x4 and 3x4. Then you still have a pattern on the back. This is a really good green pattern. And that is the bundle. So I wanted to share that with you because it's a great look at these patterns. And to me, the patterns really drive the whole collection. So stay tuned. You'll be seeing more from this for sure. I hope this was helpful just to get an idea. And if maybe you want to just kind of dip your toe and have something that also comes inside its own package, which is fantastic, right? We're always talking about how we're culling our things. This is a great way to do that. So check out the links check out the rest of this collection that I will also link. And thank you, ScrapbookCom, for letting me peruse this Toddler Time bundle.